Did you know a man chose death over abandoning his beliefs and gave us the foundation of Western philosophy? In 399 BC, Socrates sat in an Athens prison cell, sentenced to die for corrupting the youth with his teachings. His students begged him to escape. They had bribed the guards, planned his route to safety, but the 70-year-old philosopher refused. A life without principles isn't worth living, he told them calmly. As the sun set, Socrates spent his final hours teaching about the immortality of the soul. The executioner brought him a cup of hemlock poison. His hands didn't shake as he drank it down. The poison slowly paralyzed his body from the feet up. With his final breath, he asked for a rooster to be sacrificed to Asclepius, the god of healing. He viewed death as healing from life's illness. That ultimate act of integrity created a legacy that outlasted empires. Sometimes standing by your convictions is worth more than life itself.